There are two methods to create component. The first method is to right-click widgets and select the Create Component. After creation, we can see the newly created component on the Components panel. The second method is to click the Add button on the Components pane. To delete a component, select it and press the Delete key. If the component is in use, it cannot be deleted. You must first delete its instances. You can delete the unused component. To rename the component, select it and click again to edit it. To duplicate the component, right-click it and select Duplicate Component. This will only copy the currently selected component. If you choose Branch, it will duplicate the current component and its child components. Drag a component to reorder it, and you can drag a component to a lower level of another component. Right-click on the component and select Drop Behavior, Place Anywhere. You can place component anywhere on the canvas when dragging and dropping it. You can see that the instance of the component has a red mask. If you choose Lock to Component Location, the drag component instance location will be locked, which will be its location in the component canvas. Double-click on the component. You can see that the location of the widget in the component canvas is also in the top left. If you choose Break Away, the component instance will be separated from the component. We drag and drop to component instances. Then select Place Anywhere and drag and drop to component instances again. Double-click the component instance with a red mask to edit the component. We edited the title text to a park. Then return to the page. We can see that the title text of the component instance set to Place Anywhere has also changed to a lake. If you edit the content of a component, all its instances will also change. And if you edit a component instance set to Break Away, it will not cause changes to other component instances.